Hey guys! Welcome back to Architutors. In this video we will walk you through a modern house design 3D modeling and rendering workflow in SketchUp and Lumion. We will demonstrate how to model it easily in SketchUp in lesser time and do a quick quality render in Lumion. So let's begin. Before we start the 3D modeling in SketchUp, I want to show you the plan of the house that we will import in SketchUp for 3D modeling. It's a 3-story modern design house plan, with car parking shown on right front side and with some landscape area at the front. Let's switch to SketchUp and import that AutoCAD drawing into SketchUp. Go to File, Import, and locate the CAD drawing. Make sure it has the correct scale. The first thing will be to draw the outline of the plan so we have a surface that we'll turn into a volume. We can use Rectangle tool for that. Use Erase tool to remove extra edges. Now that we have a clean surface, use the Push-Pull tool to extrude the surface. Enter a specific height for the volume. If you're keen in watching more of such videos and upcoming tutorials on SketchUp and Lumion, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon for all the updates. Your viewership means awful a lot to us. Now that we have the basic volume, we can start adding details such as windows and door to the elevation. We can use the Line tool to divide and create faces for the windows. Use the Push tool to intrude the surface. Apply a material for window frame. I'll offset the surface and divide it to have a number of vertical members or mullions on the window. Use Line tool to create them. And then push the surface outwards. And give glass material to the window. I'll change its color to gray. I'll also give the wooden material to the door surface. Create a small window on the door. It's always good to create multiple groups while modeling. I'll convert this ground floor model into a group. Use the Move tool while holding the Control key to create copy of the model. Let's also provide another window on right side where the bedroom is coming. Use the Line tool to create the face. Erase extra edges. Copy the line. Intrude surface and give it a material. Offset and divide the surface to have a vertical member. Extrude the frame surface and give the window glass a material. Let's create the slab above this by creating a rectangle and extruding that rectangular surface by using Push tool. Make it into a group. Now after that ground floor, let's work on the first floor. First I want to change that wooden door into a glass window. Remove extra edges. Create offset and apply material. Similarly, I need a window on the right side too. Copy the slab group to the first floor. I'll create a small overhang that will become small balcony on second floor. Let's copy the first floor and use it to create the second floor, as two will be very much typical. I want the front window to be smaller, so use the tape tool for creating reference lines. Adjust the window geometry. After that is done, copy the slab to the second floor. Let's place these floor blocks together to see how it looks. Now copy the top surface. Offset and extrude it to create a parapet on all sides. As you can see, we have different group for different floors and slabs. This makes it easy to make changes and do systematic modeling in SketchUp. On the ground floor, I'll show another wooden door along with the window. Remove the mullion and extra edges. Now create the plinth floor level for ground floor. Next part is to add balconies on the elevation. Use a rectangle and extrude it outwards using the push tool. Convert it into a group and add a material to it. Offset and push the face inwards. Now add a small sill on the edge. And over it we can add a glass railing by creating a box. Add the glass material to it. Use tape tool to create reference lines. Draw a box on this side that will be our balcony. You can isolate a group or a component by using the Component Hide option in the View tab or assign a shortcut for it in SketchUp. I'll copy the glass railing. Use the scale tool to stretch it. Let's quickly fix the geometry on the window. Let's add another small balcony on the second floor by first creating a rectangle and extruding it. Add a material to it. Offset it to create a parapet. I need louvers on the other side. And for that I'll create another rectangle. Give a material to it and offset it. Add vertical members in between using the line tool. And extrude this using push tool. Add another balcony on the left of the first floor. Create a box here first. Add a smaller box at front, and extrude it to a height. Add a cornice on the top by doing offset of the top surface. And I want to add some small grooves on the face of this balcony. Create a rectangular face and extrude it. Let's add an overhang right at the top. Make a simple box first. And it will have a C channel at front. You can adjust field of views from camera drop-down option in SketchUp. Let's add some wooden ceiling to the balcony. Use a box. And add a number of wooden fins on the bottom of its surface. After that we can create boundary walls at front. On the boundary wall at front, I want to add some grooves. You can add more necessary details like adjoining boundary walls, pavement and road to make the elevation look complete. Now that we have completed the 3D modeling in SketchUp, we can import this in Lumion, and go ahead to create render environment for it and render it. Use the Model Import tool to import your 3D SketchUp model in Lumion. The environment is everything that will make the render look complete, so take time to set trees and make an integrated artificial environment around the model. We have used a cluster of trees around it. Now in the photo options, let's go through the effects added one by one. That's how you can take a 3D model from SketchUp, or any other software, and render it with ease in Lumion. I hope you have learned some new techniques through our SketchUp modeling tutorial. You can check out more such tutorials from our SketchUp tutorial playlist. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos on modeling and rendering. Thanks for watching. See you next time.